Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Hello geniuses! In today's video, let's talk about probability. Probability is the chance, also can be called as chance, of getting a certain result or a certain outcome out of the total number of outcomes, right? So let's say these colorful balls are actually balls or a magnet, or just assume anything. Let's put them in a bag. Now this is a bag, okay? So now if the question is, what is the probability of getting a red ball out of these 7 balls when you do a draw without looking at it, will be 2/7. Okay, now and let's see how I built this 2/7. That's the most important part of it. So 7, okay, so 7, yeah. So now, how many red balls do you see here? 2 red balls, right? So that is the event we are talking about. We are talking about the event which is favorable for us. And then at the bottom will be the total number of events. I hope you remember this from the fractions. We did something similar, right? So our event was red balls, which was 2, which we wanted to know. And the total number of probabilities was 7. So the probability of getting a red ball was 2 out of 7. Okay, so that's how it works. Your event will be, or your factor that you're talking about will be on top, and the total will be at the bottom. Pretty simple, right? So let's say now we wanted to know what is the probability of getting, let's say, yellow ball, or let's say pink ball. Yeah, because yellow is also 2, so let's say pink ball. It will be 1/7. Why 1? Because there is only one pink ball. And why 7? Because the total number of balls is 7. So the probability of getting a pink ball is 1/7, right? Similarly, if you wanted to know the probability of getting a blue ball, it will be 2/7. The probability of getting a yellow ball is going to be 2/7 as well. Okay? Pretty clear, right? And there is a flip side of looking at it as well, right? So let's say you wanted to know what is the probability of getting a ball which is not red. So red ball's probability was 2/7, right? So it's pretty clear. Now think about it. How many balls do you see that are not red? Can you count that for me? I'll wait a moment. Think about it. I think you got it. The total number of balls that are not red is 5, right? So the probability of drawing a ball which is not red, it's going to be 5/7. Okay, I think it's pretty straightforward. Think about it, replay the video, and let's move on to the coin tossing. It's another very classical question that you get. Now head is, in a coin there are 2 sides. I hope your coins also have 2 sides only, right? And the place where the picture or emblem is made, it's called the head, and the other side is called the tail. Now you toss a coin. What is the probability the coin will land on a head? Now how many total options do you have? You have only 2 sides, right? So 2 options. It can either land on one side or the other. So we make the total as 2. And what is the probability of getting a head? How many heads do you see on this coin? It's just one head. So the probability will be 1/2. Similarly, what will be the probability of getting a tails? Will be the same, 1/2, because there is only one tails. So the probability is half each, right? And that's how we write chance is 1/2 of getting a head or a tail. Pretty straightforward, right? Okay, so let's look at a new example. Let me change the screen, give me a minute, and here we have. So you see a dice. It looks like someone has split the dice open, but it's a dice, right? You know what a dice is. There are 6 sides on a dice. If there are more dices which have more sides, 8 or 10, we're not going to talk about it. Our dice here, normal standard dice, has 6 sides, right? So the total number of chances are going to be 6 always, right? I think that's a fair assumption. The total, you cannot get 7 sides out of a 6-side dice, right? So now what is the probability, let's say, of getting a single number, let's say 2, right? Wait, let me write this question so that it's clearer to us. away and write getting a 3. Yeah, I said 2, let's say 3. Right, so now what is the chance of getting a 3? So total number of sides are 6, and how many 3's do you see here? There is just one 3, so it will be 1 over 6. Right, any number for that matter would be the same. Let's say what is the chance of getting a 4? Again, 1 over 6. Let's look at the even and odd numbers. These are also very common questions in basic probability. What are the chances of getting an even number? How many even numbers are there? 2, 4 and 6. So there are 3 even numbers, so the probability will be 3 over 6, which is the total number of chances. Right? And what would be the probability of getting odd numbers? There is a similar amount of odd numbers here. 1, 3 and 5, which is 3 numbers. So 3 over 6 will be the probability of getting an odd number as well, right? Now let me confuse you a bit before giving you the right answer. Now let me just take this off, just give me a minute. So what is the probability of getting a 6 on a throw of a dice? Think about it, and I will write that as well. Hold on. I will write that as well, but just think about it. What is the probability of getting a 6? Now some kids, what they do, they write 6 as a 6 here. That's 6 out of 6, but it's wrong because there is only one 6 on the dice. You cannot write 6 over 6. How many 6 do you see here? 1. So it will be 1 over 6 and not 6 over 6. Probability of getting any single number on a dice is 1 over 6. It can be any number. So just remember that. It was easy, right? So till the next video, keep learning and keep questioning. Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.